1 ounce, simple. But then we're gonna put just like a lot less of simple than lime because we're gonna put liquor in it. So every classic cocktails that we do, so like it's all the same formula. If you take the strong drinks out of it, so if we have margarita, we have daiquiri, we have Cosmo, we have Moscow Mule, all of these classic drinks, and they have all the same formula in a way, or they have the same balance. So for example, if you're doing a daiquiri, you have lime simple rum. If you're doing margarita, you have a lime simple tequila, and then maybe a little liquor. Then we have whiskey sour. We have whiskey, lime, simple, but then we add liquor and egg white to it. So it's always the same formula, but we are either just like having the formula or we're adding to it if we take the strong spirit out. Okay. We are gonna use a crowberry liquor from Reykjavik Distillery. So does anybody know what crowberry is? No? So crowberry is an Icelandic berry, and in Iceland we don't grow fresh fruit. So we have berries, we have crowberries, we have blueberries, and we have rhubarb. When my mom was little, she like lived in a camp or something, and she like every Christmas they get like mandarinas. So it was only on Christmas when they got mandarinas. And then the lime only came 1 month in a year. And then this fruit only came 1 month in a year. So it's almost like a special occasion to get every fruit. This is kind of cool. So yeah, crowberry is one thing that we actually grow, and it starts growing in August, and it grows over it in September. And it's a very special berry, and I really like it. But because we're putting liquor into it, because liquor is sweet. Liquor is mostly like 20%, so when you have hard spirits like gin, vodka, tequila, whiskey, whatever, you have like 40% or over, normally. Liquor is more like vodka or a neutral spirit that you add sugar to it, and that's why you dilute it in that way, and that's how you get sweeter booze. So if you're putting a liquor into your drink, you don't put as much of a simple syrup into it, right? Makes sense. Then we have, what's it called again? It's not egg white, it's not chicken peas, it's just aquafoma. Yeah. So I just learned this word. It's aquafoma. So if you're vegan, you don't need to have an egg white. You can just like use this, and it's kind of the same, and it gives you a foamy drink.